Can you describe the Arubian flag?
Some blue and yellow, and what's that? I don't know.
This is your Snide tour guide, Beach Llama. Follow the magic stick. The 18th of March marks the official commemoration and celebration of the national flag and anthem of Aruba. The Arubian flag has been the official flag of Aruba since the 18th of March 1976. The description of the flag is as follows. Although Aruba is part of the Dutch kingdom, the red star outlined with white in the top corner has nothing to do with Heineken. Besides, it's not even a star. It's a compass rose. That compass rose represents all the people that migrated from all the corners of the globe throughout the history and prehistory of the island's existence, starting with the unknown, unnamed indigenous community that came here from the mainland South America around 2500 BCE to the Caquetillos who arrived and lived here from 1000 AD to the Spanish who discovered Aruba in 1499 AD, onward towards the Dutch who took over these territories from the Spanish in 1636, to the Africans who were dragged here in between all of that, to the people who migrated. In any case, you get what I'm saying. Everybody is represented in that compass rose. And of course, everybody else who migrated to work here in the tourism sector, our only primary source of income at the moment.
Can you describe the Arubian flag?
Okay, I'll say sky blue with yellow stripe.
Go with ocean blue, yellow stripes, and I thought it was one big red star.
One big red star.
I don't know if maybe there's more. I only see the one.
I'm going to say everything they said and a medium-sized star. How about that?
I'm gonna go with sky blue, 2 yellow stripes at the bottom, and a 4-pointed red star, smalls to the right.
Oh, absolutely no idea. I just got here, so so sorry.
Now, the compass represents our diversity and multicultural society and heritage. And, as I said before, everyone is represented in that compass rose. The color red is, of course, the blood. That represents the blood of the people that was spilled for the growth and development of the island, and also the charisma, the cordiality, which is in display in the everyday goings-on of the Arubian lifestyle. Red might also harken back to the Brazil wood industry that was very popular during the colonial era. But to me, it means the sacrifices one is willing to make that makes a difference and that contributes to the growth and development of the island and its people. Call me naive or tipsy. Now that white outline around the red compass means peace and harmony that reigns between the 112 different nationalities and cultures represented in the 108,000 inhabitants of the Pearl of the Caribbean Sea. Well, since the last census, that is. Now, white also signifies the white sandy beaches that cover our coastline. Blue, the color blue, of course, it means the ocean. We're surrounded by the ocean. And yes, sky is also blue thanks to the sun, which is the first yellow stripe represented on the flag. The second yellow stripe has many symbolic meaning. It may be the fruit of the aloe plant, which back in those days was a primary source of income for a short while between the 19th and the early 20th century. The aloe plant is even represented in our coat of arms. Don't worry, we'll talk about the coat of arms in a future episode of Snide Tour Guide. The yellow stripe may also mean the flower of the Kibrahacha tree, which famously blooms around June. The word Kibrahacha translates to breaking the hatchet or hatchet breaking, meaning the tree is so strong it breaks hatchets. I know you get the gist of it, but I'm gonna break it down for the slow ones like myself. The tree represents perseverance of the people. That's why it's unbreakable. unbreakable, like, Kibra. The yellow stripe also tends to represent the industries of times past, such as oil, phosphate, and gold. Personally, I like the Kibra interpretation the most, but hey, that's just Aruba Arriba in me talking. When it comes to the design of the flag, one of the most pervasive stories for its conception is that it was a school competition in 1975, and the 4 final designs were adapted in a more protocolary aesthetic, and thus our flag was born. So yes, you can trace the origins of the Arubian flag to school kids. Who'd have thought? The future is now. I hope you enjoyed our tour, and like I always say, once a guest, always a friend. Hey guys, this is your Slide tour guide Beach Llama, reminding you to like, follow, and subscribe to our social media pages: G's Pahadi Facebook, G's Pahadi YouTube, G's Pahadi Instagram, www.gspahadi.com. You know it, and now follow the magic stick. This is your Slide tour guide